set the whole town ablaze. Go!
Shoot. Go ahead, Marshal. You could get the broadside of the barn. Ow! Let's get back here and put on paint.
I can't see. I ain't got no paint no more. That ain't ball now. They don't call me Buzz for nothing. Don't worry. They don't mind much.
Hurry! The bombers are gonna blow up the bridge!
Bridge ain't gonna hold.
Bugs and Patches, we foiled your plot, and now we're using your dynamite to blow up the water tower and put us.
Don't throw that switch. The train's coming that way.
Fire in the hole! Thank you, heroes. We couldn't have caught those good-for-nothing ball knobbers without you. Give yourselves a big old pat on the back. You deserve it. And it'll also put out any stray sparks. So long.